At night, say at around 11 o'clock, we had a mass casualty of food poisoning. There were some patients who were from Kerala. They had come as tourists here, and 28 of them allegedly had food poisoning. So 28 people came. The first patient came at around you can say 10:50. And then last patient came at around 1:30. Of those 28 people, 25 were okay. We gave them the first aid treatment, we gave them the necessary advices, and we discharged them. We sent them home. But 3 of them, 2 in the female ward and 1 in the pediatric ward, we admitted them because they needed some saline and other treatment. But they were also apparently all right, and they went against medical advice. Usually what we do is, if such people come, we keep them for observation for 24 hours. But being from other state, maybe they prefer to go home, or maybe their hotel, whatever. So they left, say around 2:30 a.m. But overall there weren't any fatalities, and it was told by them, the history was revealed that they had food somewhere in old Goa, and tentatively after that many of them had food poisoning, and they had vomiting, pain in the abdomen and all sorts of things. But so far so good. They took the treatment and they went home.